Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today here is another student also here. I'm going to take his interview about himself. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, how are you today?
I am on cloud 9.
Okay.
What about you?
I'm over the moon. Thank you for asking me. Okay, what's your full name?
My full name is Abdullah Khan Rifat.
Okay, what's your nickname?
My nickname is Abdullah.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Okay, what class do you read in?
I was reading class 10, but I have already completed SCG exam.
Okay. So you are waiting for your result.
Yes.
Okay, what's your school's name?
My school's name is Wisdom School and College.
Okay, do you have family?
Yes, I have family.
Okay, tell me about your family.
My my fa-
How many
I,
members?
I have 5 members. There are 5 members in my family. I have my father's mothers and my sisters and my brother.
Okay, tell me about your father.
My father's name is Abdul Kabir Khan. He is a teacher, and my mother's name is Aisha Akhtar. She is an housewife. My sister's name is Fatima Khanum Ramisa. She is a student. My brother name is Abu Bakr Khan Rafiq. He is a student.
Okay, that's all about your family members. Okay, do you love your family?
Yes.
Okay, who is your favorite person in your family?
My favorite person, my both is my favorite person.
Your father and mother. You can say my parents are my favorite person. Say.
My parents is my favorite person.
Okay. The next question is that what's your favorite game?
My favorite game is football
Okay, with whom do you play football?
with my friends.
Okay, when do you play?
I play football in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Okay. Do you have any selected place or field? Which field do you play? Tell me that Jagdishpur
High School
field. Okay, that's really a common place where I also played with my friends many games, cricket, football, and other games when I was class 6, 7, 8. Okay, the next question is that who is your best friend?
My best friend is Abu Bakr Siddiq.
Okay, Abu Bakr Siddiq, nice name. It's a name of first Khalifa that we know from Islam. Okay, tell me about your friend.
He is a student. We are classmates. He is already completed SEC exam. He is 16.
Okay, that's nice answer. Okay, tell me about some beautiful place are here in Bangladesh.
Bangladesh has many beautiful places like Cox's Bazar, Jaflong, Shalabattor, Shatchori, mini Switzerland, etc.
Okay, so have you ever went Cox's Bazar?
Yes,
Okay, with whom? Tell me about that trip.
with my friends.
Okay, how long you have stayed there?
4 days.
4 days. Okay, did you enjoy?
Yes,
You enjoyed a lot. Did you swim in the ocean?
yes.
Okay, that's nice and fantastic answer. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Okay, tell me about your future plan.
My future plan is to be a doctor.
Okay, why?
I want to help the poor people.
You wanna help poor people. Okay, so what's your coaching center's name?
My coaching center's name is
English message.
English Message.
Okay, who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Khalid sir and Limon sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, that's all about today's topic. Assalamu alaikum.